Welcome back to Money Hack Japan, where we dive deep into the world of investing and finance. Today, we're exploring an intriguing trend emerging in Japan, the rise of library reading rooms as a cultural and financial phenomenon. This might not sound like a typical investment topic, but as we'll see, it's a fascinating intersection of culture, real estate, and community investment that could offer unique opportunities for savvy investors. First, let's set the stage. Japan has a unique relationship with reading and libraries. Traditionally, libraries have been seen as quiet places for study and reflection. However, in recent years, many Japanese cities have transformed their libraries into vibrant community hubs. This shift is not just about books, it's about creating spaces that foster learning, creativity, and social interaction. So, why should we care about this trend? For intermediate investors, understanding cultural shifts can provide insights into real estate opportunities and community-focused investments. With the Japanese government emphasizing the importance of lifelong learning and community engagement, investing in properties near these revitalized libraries could become a lucrative opportunity. Now, let's delve into some data. According to the Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology in Japan, public library visits have increased by 12% over the last 5 years. This uptick isn't merely a statistic. It represents a growing appetite for knowledge and community engagement. With more people frequenting these spaces, local businesses and real estate values in surrounding areas are likely to benefit. Let's consider a case study, the Minato City Library in Tokyo. This library has transformed its reading rooms into multifunctional spaces, including cafes, study areas, and event venues. As a result, the local area has seen a 15% increase in property values since these renovations were completed. Investors looking for residential or commercial properties nearby could see significant returns as the demand for housing and services grows in these revitalized neighborhoods. Next, let's analyze the demographics. Japan's aging population is another factor to consider. Older adults are increasingly seeking spaces that encourage social interaction and lifelong learning. Libraries that offer programs tailored to seniors not only enhance community ties, but also attract a demographic with disposable income. Investors focusing on properties that cater to this demographic could find themselves in a prime position as demand increases. Additionally, let's not overlook the impact of technology. Many libraries are integrating digital resources, offering online access to materials and courses. This hybrid model of physical and digital engagement could attract a younger audience. For investors, this means that properties near libraries that embrace technology could become even more desirable, especially for families and young professionals seeking community-oriented living spaces. Now you might be wondering how to get involved in this trend. One actionable strategy is to research upcoming library projects in your target investment areas. Many municipalities publish their urban development plans, which can provide insights into future library expansions or renovations. Early investments in these areas can yield substantial returns as property values rise in anticipation of increased community engagement. Furthermore, consider investing in REITs that focus on community spaces or educational facilities. While traditional real estate investment trusts typically focus on commercial or residential properties, there is a growing number of REITs that emphasize community development. These can offer exposure to the library trend without the need to manage physical properties directly. Lastly, let's talk about partnerships. Collaborating with local municipalities or organizations focused on library development can open